a daughter, but I come back to the water, no matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to a place I know where I cannot go, where I long to be. Are you ready to sing along then? See the light in the sky, there's a sea, it calls me. Let me hear you. No one. If the wind on my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know. If I go, there's just no telling how far I'll go. Okay, everybody, I'm looking for my best dancer. So I want to see those dance moves. Sing along, everybody. I know everybody on this island seems so happy on this island. Everything is by design. I know everybody on this island has a role on this island. So maybe I can roll with mine. I can be with pride, I can make us strong, I'll be satisfied if I play along. But a voice inside sings a different song when it's wrong with me. Are we ready? See the light in the sky, it's a sea, it calls me. No one knows how far it goes, and it seems like it's calling out to me, so come find me and let me know what's beyond that line. Let's see you waving. See the light in the sky, it's a sea, it calls me. No one knows how far it goes. If the wind and the sand on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know what's beyond that line. When I cross that line, see the light in the sky, it's a sea, it calls me. No one knows how far I go. Okay, let's see those dance moves. Oh, lovely stuff. Hello, everybody. Hello. Are we ready to do lots of dancing? Are we ready to do lots of singing? Well, that's good, because the best dancer tonight is going to win a starfish. Can I get a ooh? Okay. Who here is a fan of Disney? Amazing! Okay, adults as well, feel free to come to the dance floor, because we're going to do a couple of Disney songs. Are we ready, everybody? Okay, I want to see everybody dancing along to these next ones. Let's see. Now I'm the king of the swingers, so the jungle VIP. I reached the top and had to stop, and that's what's bothering me. I want to be a man up and stroll right into town and be just like the other men. I'm tired of mucking around. Oh, whoopie-doo, I want to be like you. I want to walk like you, talk like you too. You'll see it's true. Someone like me and learn to be like someone like you. Right, I'm looking out for the best dancer. Who here thinks it's going to be them? Now don't try to keep me back up. I made a deal with you. What I desire is a man to find to make my dreams come true. Now give me the secret, man, come on, tell me what to do. Give me the power of a electrify so I can be like you. Oh, whoopie-doo, I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you too. You'll see it's true. Someone like me can learn to be like someone like you. Oh, whoopie-doo, I wanna be like you. power in your corner, now some heavy ammunition in your keg. You have to punch, possess, you ruin that, and all you gotta do is run that lab. Mr. Aladdin, sir, what will your pleasure be? Let me take your order, jot it down, you ain't never had a friend like me. Life is your restaurant, and I'm your melody. Come on, whisper what it is you want, you ain't never had a friend like me. Can your friends do this? Can your friends do that? Can your friends pull this out their little hat? Can your friends do this? Can your friends do that? Can your friends pull this out their little hat? Can your friends go? Mr. Aladdin, sir, what will your pleasure be? Let me take your order, jot it down, you ain't never had a friend like me. Life is your restaurant, and I'm your melody. Come on, whisper what it is you want. You ain't never had a friend, never had a friend. You ain't never had a friend, never had a friend. You ain't never had a friend like me. You ain't never had a friend like me. Goodness me, you're making this difficult. You're all very good dancers, aren't you? Yeah, okay. Well, the next one we're going to do is from a film called Shrek. Anybody know Shrek? Yeah. Do you know who loves Shrek even more than you? And more than Amy? Your grown-ups. So go and grab your grown-ups and bring them down onto the dance floor. You've only got 10 seconds. If they don't come down to the dance floor, then they have to give you a £5 for the arcade instead. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.5, 1.25, 1.1. Make sure you bring yourselves down to the dance floor so there's room for everybody. Because I want to see the grown-ups dance moves as well as the kids. Okay, let's get this party started. Let's see those dance moves, everybody. Here we go. I thought love was only true in fairy tales, meant for someone else, but not for me. Love was out to get me, that's the way it seemed. Disappointment, heartache, all my dreams. Ready? Then I saw her face. Now I'm a believer. Not a trace, a doubt in my mind. I'm in love, I'm a believer. I couldn't leave her if I tried. I thought love was more or less a given thing, but the more I gave, the less I got, oh yeah. What's the use in trying? All you get is pain. When I wanted sunshine, I got rain. Are we ready? Then I saw her face. Now I'm a believer. Not a trace, a doubt in my life. I'm in love. And then I saw her face. Now I'm a believer. Oh, not a trace, a doubt in my mind. Elton John. I have a feeling you might know this one from the film Sing. Here we go. Is it getting a bit warm down there? Here we go, everybody. You can never know what it's like. Your blood like winter freezes just like ice. There's a cold, lonely light that shines from you. You wind up like the rest you hide. You have that mask you use. But did you think the stroke could never win? Well, look at me, I'm come back again. I got a taste of love in a simple way. If you need to know where I'm still standing, you just fade away. Ready? Don't you know I'm still standing better than I ever did? Looking like a true survivor, feeling like a little kid. I'm still standing after all this time, picking up the pieces of my life without you on my mind. I'm still standing. A bit louder. I'm still standing. Lovely sound. Once you never could hope to win, stumbled down the road leaving me again. The threats you made were meant to cut me down. If your love was just a circus, you'd be a clown by now. Don't you know I'm still standing better than I ever did? Looking like a true survivor, feeling like a little kid. I'm still standing after all this time, picking up the pieces of my life without you on my mind. Ready? I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right, let's see those dance moves. Don't you know that I'm still standing better than I ever did? Looking like a true survivor, feeling like a little kid. Still standing after all this time, picking up the pieces of my life without you on my mind. I'm still standing. Here we go. I'm still standing. Woo, let's see those hands. I'm still standing. Here we go. I'm still standing. Give yourselves a round of applause, everybody. Right, grown-ups, you are more than welcome to stay on the dance floor, because I have a feeling you might like the next one. But I've seen a few dresses that might be able to help me out with this next one being right in front of me. Anybody know the film Frozen? Okay, well I'm going to need your help to sing this next one. Can we do that? Oh, I can't quite hear you. Can you help me? Okay, who still wants to win the starfish? Okay, let's do the next one. Here we go. Are we ready to sing along? Ready? Into the unknown. Into the unknown, into the unknown. Are we ready? I can hear you, but I won't. Some look for trouble, while others don't. There's 1,000 reasons I should go about my day and ignore your whispers, which I wish would go away. Whoa. Let's see you clap, you ready? You're another voice. You're just a ringing in my ear, and if I hurt you, which I don't, I stop before I fear. Everyone I've ever known is here within these walls. I'm sorry, keep the silence, I'm walking out your wall. I had my adventure. keeping me awake? Are you here to distract me so I never hit the mistake? Or are you someone out there who's a little bit like me, who knows deep down I'm not where I'm meant to be? Every day's a little harder as I feel your body grow. Don't you know it's part of me and hard to go into the unknown? Into the unknown. Into the unknown. Wow, are you out there? Do you know me? Do you feel me? Do you show me? Okay, are you ready to help me out with the final note? Ready? Deep breath. Follow you. Here we go. Into the unknown. Okay, who's a bit hot after that one? Yeah, me too. The lights are warm, aren't they? Okay, I've only got a couple of songs left now. So, who here would still like to win the teddy? Okay, we're going to do a song for some of you older kids right now. We're going to do a little bit of Dua Lipa. So, make sure you sing along if you know this song. See you, Matthew. Play Okay, now this is my final song of the evening. So it's time to reveal who's won.